What if I told you one newsletter platform could help you grow an audience, make money, and actually keep control of your content without taking a cut from your earnings? Sounds interesting, right? Today we're talking about Beehiiv in 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this platform is worth your time or just another overhyped tool. Newsletters are bigger than ever, and Beehiiv was built specifically for creators who want more than just sending emails. It's designed for growth, monetization, and turning a simple newsletter into a real media business. That's the promise. But let's see how much of that is real. First, the setup experience. Beehiiv is surprisingly beginner-friendly. You don't need technical skills to launch your newsletter. You can create posts, design emails, and publish content pretty fast. Everything feels focused on writing and publishing instead of confusing settings. That alone makes it appealing for new creators. Now let's talk about what really separates Beehiiv from many other newsletter platforms. Growth tools. Beehiiv doesn't just let you collect emails, it actively helps you grow. There's a built-in referral system where readers can recommend your newsletter to others. There's also a feature that helps newsletters promote each other, which can bring in new subscribers without ads or social media stress. Analytics are another big plus. You can see open rates, click rates, subscriber growth, and performance over time. This matters because you're not guessing what works. You can clearly see which emails perform better and adjust your content accordingly. Monetization is where Beehiiv really tries to stand out. You can run paid subscriptions, show ads through Beehiiv's ad network, and even earn through referral boosts. The biggest thing here is that Beehiiv does not take a percentage of your subscription revenue. What you earn stays yours. For creators who are serious about long-term income, that's a huge deal. There's also a built-in website for your newsletter. This means your posts aren't just emails. They can also live online, be shared, and even show up in search results. That gives your content a longer life than a regular inbox email. But let's be real, Beehiiv is not perfect. Automation features are still limited compared to full email marketing platforms. If you need complex workflows, advanced triggers, or heavy integrations, you might feel restricted. Customization is also not unlimited. While designs look clean and professional, some users may want more control over layout and styling. Another thing to keep in mind is pricing as your list grows. The free plan is generous for beginners, but once you scale, costs can rise. That's not unusual, but it's something to plan for if you're growing fast. So who is Beehiiv actually best for? It's ideal for writers, content creators, solo founders, and niche publishers who want to grow an audience and earn from it. If your goal is to build a newsletter brand, not just send marketing emails, Beehiiv makes a lot of sense. If you're a business that needs heavy automation or complex campaigns, you may want to look elsewhere. Beehiiv is clearly built for creators first. So, is Beehiiv worth it in 2026? If you want an all-in-one newsletter platform focused on growth, analytics, and monetization, and you like the idea of keeping 100% of your subscription revenue, then yes, Beehiiv is absolutely worth considering. It's not trying to be everything, it's trying to help creators win in the newsletter space, and for many people, it does exactly that. Now I'm curious, would you use Beehiiv for your newsletter, or are you already using another platform? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future honest app reviews just like this one.